Step back in time and experience the evolution of technology like never before. Join us as we embark on a journey through the last 2,000 years, exploring the most groundbreaking and revolutionary advancements in technology. From the earliest inventions to the modern-day marvels, this video is packed with surprising facts and insights that will leave you in awe. So get ready to discover how technology has shaped our world and how it continues to evolve, with TechNation. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the Georgian calendar years of 100 to 500 AD, a time when technology reached new heights. This period saw the creation of impressive structures like the Colosseum in Rome and the widespread use of irrigation systems in agriculture. The invention of the water wheel and the development of the plow revolutionized farming, making it easier and more efficient. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient analog computer, showcased the technological prowess of the time. The widespread use of the horse collar allowed horses to pull heavier loads, and the creation of the first crank handle allowed for greater mechanical power to be generated. Imagine a world where water is a scarce commodity, bridges collapse under the weight of travelers, and the art of warfare is limited by outdated weapons. Well, that was the reality of the ancient world, until a series of technological advancements changed everything. From the construction of aqueducts that allowed for the efficient distribution of water over long distances, to the creation of the first suspension bridges that paved the way for longer and sturdier structures, the ancient world saw an explosion of innovation. The chain pump, a type of water pump that used a chain and bucket to transport water, and the invention of the first crossbows, which revolutionized the art of warfare, were just a few examples of the technological advancements of that time. The spinning wheel also made its debut, greatly increasing the efficiency of textile production, and the use of the blast furnace allowed for the mass production of iron and steel. Finally, the creation of the first human-powered mechanical clocks, which used gears and weights to keep time, marked the beginning of a new era of precision and accuracy. Step into the evolution of technology during calendar years of 500 to 1000 AD, a time of incredible advancements. From the development of the three-field system in agriculture to the construction of awe-inspiring architectural masterpieces, this period saw technological innovations that will leave you amazed. In the Middle Ages, humanity experienced a significant technological revolution. From agriculture to industry to energy and transportation, the advancements of this era laid the foundation for future innovations. The three-field system transformed the way crops were grown and harvested, leading to an increase in food production and efficiency. The magnificent structures like the Hagia Sophia and the Great Mosque of Cordoba showcased the architectural and engineering marvels of the time. The widespread use of water mills revolutionized industry, enabling the mass production of goods. The creation of the first movable type printing press in China marked a new era of knowledge dissemination and ideas exchange. The development of the windmill, a renewable energy source, indicated a growing concern for sustainable technology. Iron horseshoes on horses revolutionized transportation and warfare, making it more efficient. The invention of the astrolabe, a multifunctional instrument used for navigation and astronomy, highlighted the technological advancements of the time. Get ready to be amazed as we journey through the Georgian calendar years of 1000 to 1500 AD, a time of incredible technological advancements. From the invention of the compass to the creation of Gothic cathedrals, this period saw developments that shaped our world as we know it today. From the invention of the compass that revolutionized navigation and exploration, leading to the discovery of new lands and cultures, to the creation of mechanical clocks that paved the way for modern timekeeping, the advancements made during the period of 1000 to 1500 were nothing short of extraordinary. Gothic cathedrals like Notre Dame de Paris showcased the architectural prowess of the time and inspired future generations of builders. Meanwhile, the widespread use of the blast furnace allowed for the mass production of iron, leading to the growth of industry and commerce. The widespread use of gunpowder in warfare changed the face of battle and had far-reaching consequences for society, while the development of spectacles and the invention of the spinning wheel revolutionized the textile industry and had a lasting impact on economies and societies. The technological advancements made during this period set the stage for the world we live in today and its future. Step into the future with us as we take a look at the incredible technological advancements that have taken place from the year 1500 to 2023. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scope of human ingenuity and innovation. The past 500 years have seen some truly incredible technological advancements that have shaped our world as we know it today. From the invention of the printing press, which revolutionized the dissemination of knowledge, to the rise of artificial intelligence and robotics in the early 21st century, we have come a long way. The invention of the steam engine in the late 1700s paved the way for the Industrial Revolution and transformed transportation, manufacturing, and energy production. The development of the telegraph and telephone in the 19th century revolutionized communication, making the world a smaller place. The creation of the first computers in the mid-20th century set the stage for the digital revolution and the rise of the internet, which has transformed the way we communicate, work, and live. The development of space travel and satellite technology has opened up new frontiers and expanded our understanding of the universe. With these advancements, and the many more to come, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. So, hold on tight as we embark on this exciting journey of technological innovation, and be prepared to be amazed at what the next 100 years will bring. Are you ready to peer into the future and discover what technology has in store for us in the next 100 years? Get ready to be blown away by the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. As technology continues to advance, we are on the brink of a world where artificial intelligence and robotics will revolutionize the way we work and live. The lines between the physical and digital worlds will be blurred with the widespread adoption of virtual and augmented reality technology. Our future will be more sustainable and environmentally friendly, thanks to the development of new energy sources and technologies. Biotechnology and gene editing will allow us to cure diseases and enhance our physical and mental capabilities. Space exploration and colonizing other planets will become a reality, broadening our horizons beyond our current world. Quantum computing will bring about unparalleled advances in fields ranging from cryptography to drug discovery. And with the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT, all devices and objects will be interconnected, leading to new levels of automation and convenience. Wow, what a journey it has been from year 100 to 2123 AD. We've seen the rise of new technologies, innovations, and advancements that have completely transformed the way we live and work. From the invention of the printing press to the advancements in artificial intelligence, the world has come a long way. It's truly exciting to imagine what the future holds and what new technologies will emerge. If you're a tech enthusiast and want to stay updated on the latest technological advancements, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Let's continue exploring the amazing world of technology together on our channel, TechNation.